Mahirap talagang tumakbo, pero pag nag-i-enjoy ka, walang problema dito.
Is the first company in the Philippines to ship from recyclable to biodegradable packaging. So i-visit po natin ang
Champion! Parang iba yan!
Kaya ko pagkakita ng pagkaupod ko.
Tago-tago ka pa?
Ito na 10K. 10K, 10K. Dito po. 10K, 10K. 21, 21.
And also sa atin po mga runners.
Glenn! Yeah! Yes, sir!
Raffle draw. Magkaiba po kita ng raffle draw later.
Thank you!
Boss, race beef mo.
Available sa ating team. Tando Eye Cocktail. Ano po banda sa stage?
10K na, 10K. 10K, 10K.
10K! Wow!
5K,
5K!
Boss, 10. 10K, 10K.
Yay! Sumabog na! 21 km! 5 km!
Short circuit na gani ka
Again sa lahat po ng runners, higit na claim yung second place center at first Diva. And then po the runner magkakain Mega Salt Hygienic Products. Again, sa lahat po ng ating mga runners from different categories. So pila po tayo, pila lahat. And also the whole TSTS Survey Center has 5% discount.
Makapoy!
Grabe, sobra!
Ayos lang yan!
Also, personal collection ng mga products. Personal collection. Available here at Race Village. Of course, we have beer station, coffee by San Miguel Live,
5
we have Tando Eye Cocktails, brought to you by Tando Eye. Again, announce that ito po sila katabi ng ating personal collection. And also, if gusto nyo may
race beef mo ate, race beef mo.
personal
Five.
collection, the Green Light
5.
Snack Champagne.
21, 21, 10. 21 na.
Biodegradable packaging.
21.
Congratulations po.
5. 5.
Ayun po, 21. Congratulations po. 10 or
10,
And
10.
of course, meron tayong beer station and Tando Eye cocktails.
21.
Brought to you by San Miguel and Tando Eye. Meron po tayong portable. It's all for free. Sponsored by
21 km!
Congratulations.
Las Bates City, hindi lang po sa may Campan Rizal Food Court.
21.
And also, the Mega Salt Hygienic Products Incorporated are giving free items for all runners from different categories. Mga volunteers, mga supporters, guests, and sponsors, pwede po kayo. pumila dito sa left side na po ng ating Race Village.
Congratulations po.
Jimbo Builders and Eaglin Gas for sponsoring our Lechon Bakat for today's event. And also for those runners who've been battling their mental health, the home ESC Learning Center Corporation are giving free consultation for all our runners.
Fight! Fight! Congrats.
To all our volunteers, meron po kaming bottle na binigay sa mga PNPs, sa mga
Nice
Congratulations po.
finished their 21
Grabe.
5-kilometer run. Alam ko sa inyo,
Yay!
just
Congrats!
take your personal record.
Team Native. Sat! Sat! Ayos!
As we wait for our
Sana all naka 5 km running. Ako 21, naka 21 din ako eh. Pero bike.
Malakas ang bike yan?
Andito rin pala si Sir Odic Abilia at ang kanyang asawa. Ang sinalihan nila ay 5 km run dito sa Rodeo Masbate Half Marathon. Ayan ang ating mga runners. Oh. Takbo, ang ganda ng takbuhan nila. Oh. Paldo. Yay! Shout out! Laban lang! Ayan. Ito yung sa 5 km run. Nagsasalubungan na lang sila yung mga 21 km. Ayan o. Sige. Laban. Phew! 21 km. Sabihin ito na yung 5 km. 5 km yan! Lawate 21 km. Iyan yung nag-champion sa 10 km lady category. Malaban talaga.
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa.
Last one.
Ilang km na lang. Almost 1 km na lang. Yun na yung champion ng 10 km mo. Sa female, 10 km.
Honorable Attorney Carla Takuyan Esquilona for the photo booth. So the photo booth will open at 6 a.m.